How to make him come without going in with his CaSaVa. Hi everyone, welcome to another juicy class. Today I want to tell you how you can make him come without going in with his microphone. Yes, without going inside the Jerusalem, inside the watermelon, with his microphone, with his CaSaVa. You know what you should do? Number one is make sure that you do what is called suck and release to that CaSaVa. Yes. When you give him that suck and release, you will see that he will go gangam. It will shock him. His body will do gaga, 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 gaga. He will see butterfly in his stomach because of that. Yes. Another one is when you touch the ring in that microphone. This is microphone you are singing with as a woman. Then you touch the ring here. Believe me, he will come crazy. You need to walk as a woman. If you want him to come without coming inside the Jerusalem ground, without using the CaSaVa to cultivate, without browsing on your contours, still he will come and bring out the final product, the SPM. Number 3 is touch the point of the CaSaVa. Example, let me illustrate. This is the point of the CaSaVa now. Touch the point. Remember, I've told you olive oil is very important. Make sure that you have aloe vera or olive oil, okay? Then you use it and touch the point of that CaSaVa or the microphone you are singing with. You touch the point here, stimulate the point. When you touch the point, it will stimulate and it will go gangam. Yes, very important. It is very nice and sweet. Yeah. Before I continue, I would like you please to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, share it. You know that my goal is to make sure that you have a joyful home, a joyful marriage. Therefore, pay very good attention. Thank you, my subscribers, both new and old ones. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. Number 3 or 4, I've lost count. Touch the 2 antennas. Yes. Men has antennas. It's not only women that has 2 antennas. Men has it. Now, as you are touching the 2 antennas, there is a granite in that antenna. Touch the granite. Remember, I have told you olive oil or aloe vera. Why I said aloe vera is because aloe vera is medicinal. It can help and buy any germ that is around. Yes. When you use that aloe vera or olive oil, use it on that granite and do it, squeeze it like this. In a gradual form, you squeeze it, or you turn it as you are turning soup, okay? You rub it as you are rubbing cream inside or on top of the granite in the 2 antennas. In the 2 antennas. Believe me, you will see that man will go gangam. Yes, he will go gangam. He will bring out the SPM without going inside the Jerusalem ground. That one is for sure. So many women don't know this. Do you think that everything is going inside the Jerusalem ground to cultivate or browse? No. That is how you will handle him. That is how you will hold the CaSaVa, his cucumber, the microphone of his. You handle it very well. You touch the 2 antennas with the aloe vera in your finger. You rub it there. You do suck and release with the CaSaVa. Oh my goodness. If you don't take time, the SPM will enter your mouth. Yes, because it is very nice and sweet. It is very nice. Very, very nice. Therefore, you need to learn. You need to explore. You need to experiment. You need to do what you're supposed to do. You guys know that my goal is to make sure that you have a joyful home and a joyful marriage. See you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Enjoy your home. Enjoy your marriage. Bye.